We will now jump onto the Play Store. And the reason why we're talking about the Play Store, we were going to be talking about it last week, but then we didn't get talking about it last week. And today we'll talk about that. And that has to do with the fact that there has been some changes on the Play Store, most especially with the UI. The hamburger on the top left corner is gone, and that's the one that used to say um, open navigation drawer or something like that. So let's bring up the Play Store and see what has changed and where you could find all of your things. Everything is still there. It's just that they have been rearranged some. So I'm going to open up my Play Store now. Open Play Store.
Play Store. For you. Selected. Heading. Showing items 1 to 5 of 6.
I am using the Eloquence TTS today. So when you open the Play Store, as you could see,
For you. Selected.
there's
Heading.
nothing there at the top like open the navigation drawer. So you have these tabs that TalkBack refers to as headings. You have the For You,
Top charts. Heading.
Top charts,
Kids. Heading.
Kids,
Categories. Heading. Editor's choice.
and things like that. Now, on the top right corner, however, is where it says your name, and this is where you go in to manage your anything having to do with Play Store.
Signed in as Warren Car Worker at gmail.com account and settings.
So I tap on that, and when you open that, this is what we find.
Signed in as Warren Car Worker at Manage your Google account button.
There's Manage your Google account.
My apps and games and list.
My apps and games. You tap here, it will take you to where you could find things like the updates, the beta, the library, and let's do that, shall we? You tap on that.
Library.
You have
installed. Updates selected. Installed. Library. Share.
Beta. I'm going to tap on Navigate Up
For you. Selected. Heading.
And go back and tap on my username at the top right corner.
Add signed in as Warren Car.
And we'll go.
My apps and games.
The question would be, where in the world is my wish list? Now, here's where you'll find your wish list. Let's go down.
Manage your Google account button. My apps and games and list. Library.
There's something called library here, and it's not to be confused with the library that is found where all the apps that you have installed in the past are located. In this new library that is found only when you tap on your username is where you will find things like your wish list and things like that. So let's tap here.
Library. Play Store. Navigate up. Button. Out of list. Library.
So in this library, here's what we've got.
Wish list. List. 4 items.
There's your wish list.
Family library. Family library.
Family library.
Movies and TV. Access your library in the app. Clicking this will navigate away from the Play Store. Movies and TV. Access your library in books. Access your library in the app.
And that's what you get in the library. Now I'm going to go back.
Play Store.
And it took me back out. I'm going to go back in here.
Payments and subscription library.
And then
payments and subscriptions.
Payment and subscriptions.
Play Protect.
And Play Protect.
Notifications and offers.
Notifications and offers.
Play Pass.
Play Pass.
Play Points.
Play Points.
Settings.
And settings.
Help and feedback.
And the last one, of course, is help and feedback. And that's the new interface of the Play Store. So when you're looking for things, you know where to find them. Tapping on your username is the key to finding those things. And so we have 2 libraries, and don't confuse the two. The new one contains your wish list, also contains your family and payment history and things like that, and subscriptions and all of that. And so you go in there to find that. And that would be it about the Play Store that we didn't get to talk about last week.
So this new Play Store layout really confused me because suddenly it got updated on my phone and I opened it and I was like, wow, where is that navigation drawer gone? But then I finally clicked on this and that and found it. Now, Warren, there is a question. Some users don't have, even I don't have this thing called Play Pass. Can you talk a bit about Play Pass? What is this Play Pass?
So the Play Pass, I think that it's not available in a lot of countries. And what it is that you subscribe to the Play Pass. Maybe like if you subscribe, we have either monthly subscription or annual subscription. And what that means is that Most of the apps that are paid apps, you get them for free because, well, not really for free. You've already paid that subscription. So you get to install those premium apps without buying them. And the problem, though, is that there are not a lot of them on there. But if you're a gamer, though, that's going to be your heaven because a lot of games are part of the Play Pass program. And so now and then you find different developers, opting into the Play Pass. So you buy that Play Pass, subscribe to Play Pass, and be able to get premium apps for nothing because they're part of the program.
That is very good.